Now that's what I'm talking about, guys. We had a major bounce from Bitcoin, a major recovery, and we are now back above $110,000, currently testing 113,500. Very exciting to see, and this is happening with just a tiny bit of movement back into the market for whales. We saw trades in favor bounce, showing that downwards momentum had run out, and we were likely to see a move to the upside. We are in a good spot, but are we going to be able to break $113,500, or are we going to reject back to the downside to form a lower high formation and continue this downtrend? It's hard to say for sure. We technically didn't even get a lower low. This is a higher low, so things may be changing rapidly. Let's talk about both situations in this video. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 310 wins and 0 losses over the last 31 months. Now, typically, we have a future forecast posted every Tuesday and Friday, but for those of you that don't know, the founder of Trade Confident, Travis Martin, is having a new baby this week. So exciting. Congratulations to him. But we will keep everyone updated whether or not tomorrow's future forecast will be coming out. For those that haven't seen it, we are discussing one last push. Clear out distractions and get focused, because we're giving another downloadable chart today that we showed in the Inner Circle video that will help you time the top of Bitcoin and altcoins. All of this and more is available to our members at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. With that, let's get started. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We recently got a buy signal right around the level we are currently sitting at, but we ended up seeing a major crash in the market. Whales suddenly sold out of the market, and this scared a lot of retail traders. We liquidated long traders and pushed the price down even further. Now, whales just barely start buying back into the market. We see the price pump right back up to where we were before. In this drop, we saw trades in favor fall into the long trade zone. This means that downwards momentum has run out and we are seeing a bounce to the upside. This is exactly what's playing out. While we didn't get another buyer strong buy signal towards the bottom, these two alone were a good signal of a move up, especially because of how many liquidations happened at this level. Now we're kind of at a turning point. We're testing $113,500. If whale money begins moving back into the market, we are going to break this resistance and could easily push back up to $117,000. However, if whale money sells out of the market, and be careful because we are seeing this green line tick downwards representing whale selling, this could result in a rejection to the downside back to support levels at $110,000 or even as far down as $107,250. It really depends on whether or not this right here is going to be a downtrend. Are we going to see a lower high and then a lower low? If so, Bitcoin might be in danger. However, if we're able to recover back above $117,000, guys, this forms a high, a higher low, and then a higher high and brings us back into an uptrend. Now, this is pretty indecisive. It's hard to see exactly what's going to happen next. Whale money is neutral, even if we have a more bullish signal from the trades in favor. We need to be watching the price versus whale money flow very, very closely for what happens next. Again, whale money moves into the market, we're likely to see a pump back up. Whale money moves out of the market, we're likely to see a crash back down. Personally, this is not an area I would be looking to make a trade. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not going to tell you when or if you should enter a trade or not. But this is a place that I would just be waiting to see what happens. With that in mind, if you want to stay updated and be ready for what happens next, watching the price versus whale money flow, our members can access these indicators for up to $550 off. Major savings to be had, and that's on top of money-making benefits like the trade setups and future forecast episodes. If you want to get all this and more, links are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started, and you're immediately, as we head to the indicator tab, saving $150 off with this coupon code on the Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for potentially tomorrow's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.